Today in this video we are going to deal as to what is the status of a caretaker of their ancestors or their parents, because generally it is believed by the person who is taking care of their parents that they are entitled to more shares. Actually, the law does not say so. The law look after every legal heirs. Of course, there has to be recognition of a person who look after the parents. Generally, the last son or a daughter look after their parents, or the son of the family. Looking after itself is a task for any person who are bedridden or who are very sick. However, the law does not recognize that just because one legal has taken more care of a parents, he is entitled for a more share. So we have to be very aware that even if you look after the parents, that does not mean you are going to get the extra share. Presume what a caretaker can get, that is a will. They can take a benefit of a will. But what happens if the person who is taking care usurps all the property, all the fixed deposit, all the mutual funds of the parents? And if the other legal heirs are deprived of, then what is the status of the will? Because there are situations where the people who looked after has taken all the property of the ancestors, of the parents, and left nothing for the other legal heir. At this situation, when we apply for a probate of a will, a notice is issued, that is a citation is issued upon all the legal heirs. And all the legal heirs, if they give a NOC, it's well and good. But if they don't give an NOC, but then in that case, the probate gets into a litigation. Hence, even if you look after the parents, see to it all the legal heirs get their share so that you enjoy your share. Definitely, your sacrifice has to be recognized, but you can always speak to your family member and make a family arrangement deed to that effect, that you have invested so much money, you have looked after the parents, which took your energy, which took your time. Hence, there has to be some compensation. Family arrangement deed is the best way to take care of all the expenditure which you did towards your parents. But when you draft a will, see to it that all the shares are well covered and all the shares of the property is given to a legal heir equally. One more reason why the wills get stuck in a courts are not giving a woman's share or a sister's share. See to it that you give some share or the equal share to a woman, so that that will does not come under a challenge. Women enjoy a property rights as on today. So take care of the property so that your generational wealth does not get stuck under a litigation or under the papers, the bundles of papers where a decision is awaited. See to it that you enjoy your property and your generational wealth in equal manner, in equal shares, without taking anyone's share into your account.